Hey everyone, we wanted to give you a tour of the Nuvoe bottle, which is available as a bundle with the Nuvoe pod. The Nuvoe pod and bottle bundles are available in 6 great looking colours: slate grey, midnight black, coral red, chive green, robin blue, and citrus yellow. Note that you can only get a coloured pod when you buy the bottle with it. For example, if you like to get the pod in the robin blue colour, you will need to buy the robin blue pod and bottle bundle. You'll be able to upgrade to a bundle in the back of kit survey and choose your colour there. The bottle is double wall vacuum insulated, meaning it can keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. It can fit up to 620 milliliters or 21 ounces. It comes with a built-in magnetic anchor which holds the pod firmly in place on the inside. This is what the pod looks like mounted inside the bottle. This is the slate grey colour. Let me show you the midnight black, which is my favourite. The bottle is primarily made out of 2 materials. The first is 316L medical grade stainless steel. Stainless steel is very hygienic and it allows for the vacuum insulation to take place. The second is this high quality elastomer sleeve. The sleeve provides a nice grip to the bottle, which makes it non-slippy, and it's nicer to grab onto compared to the stainless steel. Another reason we designed the sleeve in this elastomer material is that when you put it down on a surface, it doesn't make a loud noise, and it doesn't rattle either. Let's open it up. The inside is highly polished, which allows for the UVC light to better reflect on the inside to increase the purification efficiency of the Nuvoe pod. We recommend you clean the bottle when you recharge your pod, which is about once a month. The shape and the mouth of the bottle was designed for easy cleaning. Let's have a look at the cap. There are many insulated bottles out there that have the cap with a big plastic internal piece that protrudes inside of the bottle. It's very annoying because when you fill it up, sometimes if you fill it up too much, it can overflow and create a mess when you close it up. We created the cap so that you can fill the Nuvoe bottle all the way up to the top without worrying about this. The cap is very lightweight and is very easy to put on and take off. This design allows for the UVC light from the Nuvoe pod to sanitize the underside of the cap where you often get that disgusting mold growing. The silicone ring on the inside ensures that when you close it up, no water leaks at all. And there you have it, the Nuvoe bottle, available in 6 colours at launch, only available as a bundle with the Nuvoe pod.